Hello guys, what's going on internet? I'm Yusuf Adil from Graphic Bytes. Hope you are enjoying our Photoshop quick tutorials. If yes, then please like, share and subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Let's start today by this tutorial, and today we are going to use our clone stamp tool and we will learn how we can effectively remove the object in one scenery. You can see that we have three images here, 1, 2 and 3, and we will remove this girl and birds and moon from here, and this we will remove boat from here, and here we will remove the flower bucket from here. Let's take start. So first we will unlock this layer. Okay, then we are just selecting this clone stamp tool, and we have a brush setting above, so we will select this general brush from here, not hard, because hard is not relevant to our technique. So we will just selecting soft round brush from here. So let's select this and make the size. You can adjust the size with square brackets, like we can increase and decrease by using square brackets, or you can use by manual, like from up and down, whatever your size you want. So then you can do that, and we can just take start like this way. Let's start by increasing the size normal, and we will start by removing these birds. Let's press first alt button. Just hold the alt and just click the left side button of the mouse and just hover here. So then we can copy this area and we will paste it on these birds. Okay, so now you can see that we are just pasting that area to remove the birds from here. Okay, as you can see that we have effectively removed the birds. We have moon here, so then we will again press the alt button and keep the alt button pressed, and then with the pressing alt button you can click the left button of the mouse and hover here. So then we can copy this area, and then you can leave the alt button unclick, and then you can just using the left button of the mouse you can just copy that area on here. So we have removed the moon here, and we have only left the girl here. So then we will just using the girl. So then now we are just removing the girl from here effectively. So let's take start from the bottom, and first we are trying to copy this area to remove the leg area of the girl. So let's start from here and copying this area. Just copy from here and paste it here, that using the same technique that I'm using. Let's copy from here so it make a complete pattern like this way. So as you can see that we have completely removed, but little bit problem here occur. So then we can fix this issue a little bit. Just decrease the size of the girl and just paste it here like this way. So then we can have a complete joint here. Okay, so here we have already removed the bottom area. Let's just fix it. Yeah, here we go. So let's start by copying this area and pasting on the girl so it can't be judged. Okay, like this way. Just make the size a little bit bigger, more, like this way. More size to be do, like this way, like this way, like this way. As you can see that we are removing the girl so efficiently. As you can see that we have removed the complete girl from here, and it is looking quite unjudgeable. So you can see that we have done with this scenario. We have removed all the object from here, and if you want, so then you can also remove these stars from here, like just copying this black area and putting here. So this way you can remove the stars too. Whatever you want you can do. And let's start with the next image, and here we will remove the board from here. So you can see that like we are just clicking here okay, and unlock this layer and just copying this area of the sea from here and just pasting it, like we're just copying from here and just pasting it here. So you can see that the boat is completely removed from here. You can adjust whatever you want like this way. So you can see that it is adjusted, and we can remove, we have just a shadow of the moon here again. So we can also adjust that shadow by using the same technique like this way. So you can see that we have already removed like this way. So we have done. So this is also done, okay. And then we are moving to the next image. So that is this one. So we are just completely unlock this layer and using this layer like this way, and we are just starting with this layer, this one, 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 and this one. So you can see that in these three images we have removed all objects from here. So I hope that you have learned from this tutorial a lot, and we are done today's tutorial. If you like this tutorial, then please like, share and subscribe for more videos. So see you next video. Thank you. Bye bye.